You just crushed a workout, pushing your muscles to their limits. Now it's time to shift your focus to recovery, a critical aspect of making consistent progress and maximizing your gains. Maximize your recovery after a tough workout with the best post-workout recovery supplements. In this video, we dive into the top supplements that can help speed up muscle repair, reduce soreness, and boost overall recovery time. We're talking about the heavy hitters, the ones that are backed by science and proven to deliver results. From BCAAs and whey protein to creatine and glutamine, each supplement plays a crucial role in helping your muscles recover faster, so you can hit your next workout feeling stronger. We'll break down how these supplements work, when to take them, and the benefits they offer for your post-workout routine. Maximizing post-workout recovery is key. Transparent Labs Post is our top pick. It's formulated with research-backed ingredients to optimize muscle recovery and reduce soreness. Tart cherry powder reduces muscle soreness and inflammation. It also includes beta-alanine to buffer lactic acid, and creatine monohydrate enhances strength and muscle growth. Transparent Labs Post supports efficient recovery and strength. For those looking to pack on serious muscle mass, optimizing your post-workout nutrition is crucial, and that's where Legion Athletics Recharge comes in, our top pick for the best post-workout supplement for muscle gain. Legion Athletics Recharge maximizes muscle protein synthesis, the process by which your body repairs and builds new muscle tissue after a workout. One key ingredient is creatine monohydrate, well-researched for increasing muscle mass and strength. It increases ATP availability, the primary energy source for muscle contractions, allowing you to train harder and recover faster. Recharge also includes L-carnitine L-tartrate, reducing muscle damage and soreness, and enhancing recovery. Betaine anhydrous supports cellular hydration and protects cells from stress, creating an optimal environment for muscle growth. Endurance athletes, this one's for you. When it comes to pushing your limits and maximizing your endurance performance, Transparent Labs Creatine HMB is in a league of its own. Creatine HMB combines the power of two proven performance enhancers, creatine monohydrate and HMB, or beta-hydroxy beta-methylbutyrate. Creatine, as we've discussed, is a powerhouse for increasing strength, power, and muscle mass. But it also plays a crucial role in enhancing endurance performance by delaying fatigue and improving recovery. HMB, on the other hand, is a metabolite of the amino acid leucine, and it's been shown to reduce muscle damage, decrease muscle protein breakdown, and improve recovery from intense exercise. When combined with creatine, HMB creates a synergistic effect, amplifying your body's ability to recover and adapt to endurance training. Transparent Labs Creatine HMB is the perfect supplement for endurance athletes looking to take their training to the next level. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, swimmer, or triathlete, this potent formula will help you push through fatigue, recover faster, and achieve your endurance goals. Best post-workout BCAAs. BCAAs, or branched-chain amino acids, are essential nutrients that play a vital role in muscle protein synthesis, muscle recovery, and reducing muscle soreness. They're particularly important for athletes and anyone engaged in regular exercise as they help repair and rebuild muscle tissue after intense workouts. Jacked Factory BCAA takes the crown as our best post-workout BCAA supplement, thanks to its optimal 2-to-1-to-1 ratio of leucine, isoleucine, and valine. This precise ratio ensures that your body receives the ideal balance of these essential amino acids for maximum muscle protein synthesis and recovery. Leucine, in particular, is a rock star when it comes to muscle growth. It acts as a trigger for muscle protein synthesis, signaling your body to start building and repairing muscle tissue. Isoleucine and valine, while not as potent as leucine on their own, work synergistically to enhance muscle recovery, reduce muscle soreness, and support overall muscle growth. Jacked Factory BCAA is also sugar-free, carb-free, and calorie-free, making it a great option for anyone watching their calorie intake or following a low-carb diet. Plus, it comes in a variety of delicious flavors, so you can enjoy your post-workout recovery drink without sacrificing taste. Best post-workout supplement for hydration. Proper hydration is crucial for overall health and well-being, but it's especially important for athletes and anyone engaged in regular exercise. When you sweat, you lose not only water but also essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which play a vital role in muscle function, nerve transmission, and fluid balance. X-Works Motion is our top pick for the best post-workout supplement for hydration, as it goes beyond simply replenishing fluids. This advanced hydration formula is designed to optimize your electrolyte balance, enhance hydration, and support optimal muscle function. X-Works Motion includes a precise blend of electrolytes, including sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, to replenish the electrolytes lost through sweat and maintain optimal fluid balance. It also contains coconut water powder, a natural source of electrolytes and antioxidants that further supports hydration and recovery. But X-Works Motion doesn't stop there. It also includes a blend of performance-enhancing ingredients, such as taurine and L-citrulline malate, to enhance endurance, reduce fatigue, and improve blood flow. Taurine is an amino acid that acts as an osmolyte, helping to draw water into muscle cells and improve hydration. L-citrulline malate is a precursor to nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow, delivering nutrients and oxygen to working muscles more efficiently. Best post-workout whey protein. Whey protein is a staple in the fitness world for a reason. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, and it's rapidly absorbed by the body, making it the ideal protein source for post-workout recovery and muscle growth. X-Works Grow is our pick for the best post-workout whey protein thanks to its high-quality protein source, delicious flavors, and added digestive enzymes for optimal absorption. X-Works Grow uses whey protein isolate as its primary protein source, which is the purest and most concentrated form of whey protein available. Whey protein isolate is low in lactose and fat, making it easy to digest and gentle on the stomach. It's also rich in branched-chain amino acids, which, as we discussed earlier, are crucial for muscle protein synthesis and recovery. X-Works Grow also includes digestive enzymes, such as protease and lactase, to enhance protein digestion and absorption. These enzymes help break down protein into smaller peptides and amino acids, making it easier for your body to absorb and utilize. Best post-workout vegan protein. Finding a high-quality vegan protein powder that delivers on both taste and effectiveness can be a challenge. KOS Organic Plant Protein fuels your recovery and supports plant-based gains. It blends organic pea, brown rice, and quinoa proteins for optimal muscle recovery. Rich in fiber, iron, and essential nutrients, it's a nutritious way to support your health. Plus, it includes superfoods like chia seeds, flax seeds, and coconut milk powder. These add omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. It's also free from gluten, soy, and dairy, perfect for those with food sensitivities. Best post-workout supplement for muscle recovery. When it comes to maximizing muscle recovery, reducing soreness, and getting back to training at your best, Transparent Labs. Build stands out as a powerful ally. This comprehensive formula is designed to support muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and enhance overall recovery. One of the key ingredients that sets Transparent Labs Build apart is its inclusion of tart cherry extract, a natural powerhouse packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that tart cherry extract can effectively reduce muscle soreness and inflammation following intense exercise, helping you recover faster and get back to training sooner. Transparent Labs Build also boasts a hefty dose of glutamine, an amino acid that plays a vital role in muscle recovery and immune function. Glutamine is the most abundant amino acid in muscle tissue, and it's depleted during intense exercise. Supplementing with glutamine can help replenish these stores, supporting muscle repair and reducing muscle soreness. But that's not all. Transparent Labs Build also includes beta-alanine, an amino acid that helps buffer lactic acid buildup in the muscles. This means you can push harder for longer, delaying fatigue and maximizing your training volume. Beta-alanine has also been shown to reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery from intense exercise. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, finding the right post-workout supplement can make a huge difference in your recovery and performance. By providing your body with the nutrients it needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue, you'll be able to train harder, recover faster, and achieve your fitness goals more efficiently. Make sure to subscribe for more fitness and nutrition tips to take your workouts to the next level. We're constantly researching and testing the latest supplements and training methods to bring you the most effective strategies for building muscle, increasing strength, and improving your overall fitness. This content is meant to be informative, but should not be taken as medical advice. Always speak with your doctor before starting any new supplement or exercise regimen.